What's that sound?
Hey! Yahoo!
We've arrived.
Huh?
Phew! Right on time.
Hey there.
Hello!
Let's do this!
Stop right there!
Don't you recognize us?
Should I? Well, I see. I still need to do my job, though. No tail? No enter! Sorry! You ladies don't belong here. This event is for mermaids only.
Oh, I see.
Wait!
Why?
I will help you!
What are you?
It's mermaid makeover time for you!
Whoa!
Where are we?
So cool!
Ha! A surprise box! I love surprises! Come on, check out yours.
Let's see. Wow!
Shall we begin? What does the first shell have in store for us? This is so exciting! Wow! What kind of magic is this?
Huh? My turn! Let's see what the seashell will give me. I hope it's something useful. Whoa! Huh? These are the same as yours. What are we supposed to do with them? You're thinking what I'm thinking? We got a cute visitor!
Aww!
Who's a good boy? Wow! He brought sweets!
Yum!
Yum indeed! Nom!
Wonder what flavor this is.
Ha! Whoa!
What's happening?
I can't believe it! We have actual mermaid tails now!
And they are so fancy. It's all thanks to Derpy. Yay! Bye, buddy.
Come again soon! I guess that completes the first step of the makeover.
We nailed it if you ask me.
Let's check out what's next.
I'll go first.
Go ahead.
Shell number 2. Weird. How will these help?
We'll have to figure it out. I wonder if I'll get the same stuff. Wow! A makeover game? My favorite kind. We need to pick an outfit.
This one's perfect.
Perfectly dirty, you mean? We can't wear these.
Disgusting. These belong in the trash.
Wait, maybe not. This must be why we got tiny laundry machines. I'll select the hygiene program. The wash cycle is finished. And ta-da! It's fresh as new. Come on, your turn.
Fine. I'll put lots of ocean-friendly detergent. Okay, time to take it out. Wow, it smells so nice now. But we still have a tiny problem. Hang on, this must be what we need to use next. I was right. Let's try it.
Careful, don't point it at me.
Don't worry, I have perfect aim.
You were saying… Wait, now the shirt will fit just fine. Told ya.
I should fix this. I can't let you stay like that.
Whoa! Yay! Thanks! The shirt!
It worked. Take this.
Okay, ready?
I'm ready.
This is how it's done.
Yay! Thanks!
Of course! No biggie.
This is so pretty. And it's like it's made just for me.
So, that means task 2 is also done. I'll check out the third shell now. Here it is! Whoa! This is unexpected. Should we take cover? Ah! I should have! Take it off! Help!
Whoa! Nobody saw that coming.
Huh? Wait a second. This feels strangely relaxing.
Wow. Hey there, buddy.
Thanks for the updo! Oh, of course I love it! You're really good at your job.
Bye!
Bye!
Your hair looks amazing! Let's see who my hairdresser will be. Huh? But where's my octopus stylist? All I got are socks. Hey, good thing I already know this hack. I mean, I am a K-pop star after all. Of course, I know a thing or two about hair. Now, I wait.
Good thing they're not smelly socks, at least.
Haha.
Hey!
How is that my fault? Anyway, I gotta use these too, I guess.
Haha! Not like that, though. Let me show you. Can't imagine you without your signature front hair pieces. So I'm creating a mermaid version of those. Voila.
Wow, thanks.
You're welcome. But I still gotta bedazzle your hair with these. Check it out.
Wow, I love it so much. This really is the hairstyle for my edgy spirit.
Huh?
Oh, you're back already? Good to see you again. Those are for us?
Is this some kind of a hair necklace?
More like a tiara, I assume.
Oh, I see. Mine's gotta be golden. I think our octopus friend is happy with the results.
Oh, wow. Our new friend got even more surprises for us.
We can check mermaid hair off our list.
We still have 2 more tasks to complete. Wow! Yay!
I see it. I like it. I want to do it too.
And I have no reason to not put them on my face.
Wow, that's a great idea. Okay, let's catch some glitter. Careful, fishies. Get out of the way. I got them all. You use pearls. I'll use this pearl dust. It's a bit chunky, but it looks magical. A makeup look won't be mermaid core without some color. These shades of purple go well with my hair.
One final touch.
Let's open the final shells together in 3, 2, 1.
Give us what we need. Magic shells.
Wow.
Ha! The concert! We almost forgot about that.
Was it today?
Ready to end my shift. Whoa!
We're back.
And we're ready for our merfolk fans.
I can see that. Amazing transformation, really. I'm so happy to announce I can let you pass. Break a leg on the stage. Oh, wait, they can't. Nobody's around. That means I'll sing all the songs out loud. Woohoo! Let's go, Huntrix!
Our dear fans.
You're all shining today. We're going up.
It's our moment. Why is this happening to me?
Hello! We love you, Kevin! Thank you. I love you too. And I love this case full of money. But who's gonna be the lucky person to win it all in our room makeover challenge? How about you? Me? Yep, and you. Let's go. Whoa, thank you. Give it up for our contestants. It's a challenge, so let's find out who will have money to spend and who will be broke. Sophia, are you feeling lucky? Let's toss the coin. Looks like it's your lucky day. No way! Better luck next time, but that doesn't mean you still can't win. Here you go. Okay, we have our contestants and we have our budgets. It's time to start the challenge. I'm regretting this already. $100? Whoa! Look at all those zeros! Let's get painting. Hey, what are you doing? This is my side. Oh, this is a box of goodies! Gold paint? Wow! This is gonna look great. It looks so expensive. A little gold shavings will add some sparkle. Oh, I've no chance. I suppose I better start. Oh, wow. A quick mix and I'm ready to start. It's not looking as good as I thought it would. Hi, Jared. Leave me alone, Sophia. Ha, he's so jealous. Okay, that's the stars finished. Time to get painting. It's like a bottle of nail polish. It's so small. But it'll have to do. This might take some time. Phew, this is harder than I thought. Time to catch up on our contestants. One contestant is working hard, the other is not. Let's go have a chat. How are you feeling? I'm not gonna lie, Kevin. I'm not confident. I need more supplies. Can I have paint? I'll pay for it. Pleasure doing business with ya. It looks like Sophia's getting a workout. I think she could do with some help. Try this. It's getting exciting. I'll leave them to it and we'll be back later on. This is more like it. Look at that action! Now to peel off the stars. I'm happy with this. I need this to dry quicker. I did a good job. Wow, it's so shiny. Hey. I'm watching you. Do you think I'm scared? Who will have the best eye for design? Hey! Come with me.
No.
Fine. Going once, going twice. I'll take it all. Sold to the lady with all the cash. Thanks. Please come again. Sold! Hi, I was wondering if you had anything for this amount? I might have something lying around. In the mystery bag. It's a risk I'm willing to take. Bye. It's like my own private art gallery. I don't understand modern art. Hey, what's in the bag? Foam noodles? I don't believe it! This is fun. Get your own foam. That's mine. Oh, I know! I'll start by cutting them in half, and I'll attach some LED lighting strips to them. They're so colorful, they'll make a great rainbow. And I'll make clouds by sticking cotton to the end of the foam. Now to test it out. Whoa, it looks amazing! That's actually quite cool. And it's so fluffy. After all that hard work, they'll need a rest. It's time to get to bed. Leave my cloud alone. I have an idea. I'll be right back. Ah, this is the life. There must be something in here I can use. Oh, hey, can I take this? Sure, buddy, but it'll cost you. Oh, wow, $10. It's all yours. Thanks, creepy hobo. This seems like a good deal. I can definitely work with this. It just needs a coat of paint. That should do it. I'll just move it into position. I'll need some more. All that's missing is a pillow. And now I can relax. Pretty good, right? Whatever. Bring it in, boys. Special delivery for Sophia. Wow. Take a seat. Wow, this is great. Ow! What is this? Wood? Hey, I have a budget. Oh, that's gonna hurt. Admit it, you wish you were over here. Phew, this is heavy. I've got this totally glamorous table, and it'll go right here in the middle. Pretty fancy, huh? Give me the rope, boys. Here you go, Sophia. Huh? Take this. Ready, Sophia? You good? Go! You're going down. Bring it on. You're so weak! Oh, no you don't! Give up, Jared! Oh, I have a plan! Whoa, it tickles! You cheated! Nah. You can have this rope, loser. Whoa, it's so pretty! It'll look great in my room. Maybe I could use this. I'll start with this log. Then I'll drill a hole into it. I'll make 3 holes around the log. Then I'll varnish it. I'll make sure I apply the varnish evenly. That should do it. Once the varnish has dried, I'll thread rope through the holes. A floating table! A gold table needs some gold accessories. It looks so classy. I definitely suit this lifestyle. Here's a bright idea. I mean, we need some lights. Oh, I should phone Penny. Hello? Hey, it's me. I need your help. Okay, no problem. Wow, I found it. The artifact of San Lorenzo. I hope this works. Steady. Phew, I did it! Sophia is gonna love this. That doesn't sound good. Oh no! Run! Sophia better pay me well for this! Gotta keep going! Gotta keep going! Oh, made it! That was close! Here you go. I appreciate it. Wow. Anytime. Wow. It's so beautiful. That's pretty nice. And it gives me an idea. Where's he going? It belongs right here. Just what I need. Let's get you back to the room, huh? Huh? Whoa, you don't see that every day. I'll put you right here. And now for some body art. This is gonna look great. I'll run a wire through here and attach a light bulb. Ta-da! It's different, but it looks amazing! No way! I'll give the bulb a quick polish. And that's it! Hey, Jared! I'll trade you! I'll give you this priceless lamp! That? No chance! How about now? There's not enough money for this. I love the wind in my hair! It's time to get a carpet! Hey, what's going on here? Ooh, that jacket is so soft! I want it! Here, take this money! Oh, I love this show! Thanks! Wait a minute! How did… Never mind, I'll take that one too. Be my guest. How many jackets do you have? I'm going shopping! I guess he likes pink. I'll lay the jackets on the floor. I'll make a cozy rug. Oh, that feels good! Oh, it really does. What are you doing? Shoot! Get out of here! Oh, you're mean. Fine, I'll make my own rug. And I have just the thing. I'll lay the towel flat and cut a section from it. I'll do the same with different colored towels. Then I'll lay the strips on top of each other and sew them together. Careful with those fingers. I'll cut off the excess thread. Now to fold the towels in. These pins will hold them in place. One last strip to pin. Now I'll twist them around each other. This is fun! And I'll sew this end together. That's it! I'll tidy up the thread. Next, I'll roll the towel around itself. I'll make it into a large circle. My own handmade rug! It feels so soft. Admit it, you're impressed. I prefer a life of luxury. Woo! That's it! The challenge is over. Thank you, you're a great audience. Didn't they do well? It's been an amazing challenge. Let's look at the room makeovers. Wow, what a difference! A great use of the space. Give it up for the contestants! But there can only be one winner. It's time to cast your votes. Go Jared! Team Sophia! Woo! Marry me, Jared! Please let it be me. The votes are in. And the winner is… Dude, what's your name? It's Jared! Jared! No! I tried my best! This is the best day of my life! Thank you, Kevin! Cheer up, Sophia. You don't go home empty-handed. A golden key? All this is yours. Enjoy it. Whoa! Come on, let's hear it one more time for our amazing host! Woo! Love you! Which room do you prefer? Let us know in the comments below.